Our topic for today is all about the poem Seven Ages of Man written by William Shakespeare. This is our lesson 5. Before discussing the poem, let us have first the author's background of the poem. It is all about William Shakespeare. He was born on April 26, 1564 and died on April 23, 1616. He was an English poet, playwright, and an actor. He was regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and world's preeminent dramatist. He is often called England's national poet. Approximately, he wrote 39 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 long narrative poems. His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more often than those of any other playwright. So based on the description given to William Shakespeare, he is one of the assets of England. He is very famous in his works, especially when he wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet. So here are some famous works of William Shakespeare, The Seven Ages of Man. This poem is one of the most well-known poems of William Shakespeare. It describes the circle or stages of human life. In each stage that we pass through, there is a particular roles in life that we should perform, according to the poem itself. First stage is the infancy. The first and primary act of every human being is the stage of infancy, when he enters in this world and makes his exist in his stage of world as a baby. He makes his presence felt by crying at the top of his voice and many a times vomiting any food or drink that is repulsive at the nursing arms of his mother. This period normally lasts till 4 years of age. Second stage is the schoolboy. The second stage is the whining schoolboy, where he learns to utter a plaintive, high-pitched, protracted sound as in pain, fear, supplication, or complaint. In the beginning, he does not like going to school, but gradually, his thinking changes. When time passes onwards, the schoolboy transforms into a youngster. This is also the stage wherein there is an anxiety experienced by a child, okay, when he is already separated with his mother and needs to go to school. So that's why some of the children experience crying at the first day of school. The third stage is lover. It is here early youth, the peak of love and high romance. He tries to express feelings through song. He writes a song or poem expressing the pains or unfulfilled love and is written to celebrate the beauty of his mistress. Okay, so when you say mistress, it is not the third party in a relationship. It means a maiden or a young lady. Okay, so in this stage, probably it is the time of your age today. Okay, wherein you are already experienced crush, okay, or you may also have your first love, your puppy love, and so on and so forth. The fourth stage is soldier. It is that a soldier where life is full of obligations, commitments, compliances, oaths, and vows. His bird is like a leopard or panther. He endlessly fights for his honor, a full presence of mind which is sudden and a quick in quarrel and a heart to maintain a dignified reputation. So I think for this stage, this is about that stage of a human wherein you are trying to prove yourself. Okay, you are already aiming for your success or your goals in life. Fifth stage, adulthood or justice. This is the adulthood where a man tries to live a fair and justified life. His body develops as he gets matured. Practically, he is a blend of custom, morality, religion, and education. The visible authority can be well located in him. He acts like the ruler and passes a judgment on and aspects of life. This is a stage wherein a person is getting adult. He is already mature in the way he thinks, and at this time, he already built his own family and also have a children as well. Middle age, the sixth stage. It has acquired wisdom through the many experiences he had in life. He has reached a stage where he has gained prosperity and social status. He becomes very attentive of his looks and begins to enjoy the finer things of life. The man grows older and becomes weak. At this age, probably, I think, it is the ages between 50, okay, going 50 and above, wherein we already fulfilled our dreams in life. We already proved ourselves. We already raised our children well, and starting also to guide our grandchildren. The last is the seventh stage, old age. The last stage where he enters his second childhood. At this stage, the man again behaves like a child. He begins to lose his charm, both physical and mental. This stage is the worst of all stages, as man loses all his senses and strength, and his life truly becomes dependent on others. He is without everything, without teeth, eyes, and teeth. His memory becomes weakened, and five senses start malfunctioning, and finally, he departs from the world, leaving behind a story full of events. So it is like a cycle. That's why it is described as a circle of life, because at the last stage of a human, you become again, or you came back again from being an infant, wherein you need to depend your life to other people. To check your understanding on the poem, get ready for our Q&A time, or question and answer time. Answer this task on your module as our Sitwork number 5. Thank you for listening and attending. Bye everyone.